How to share Google Form edit link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can share Google Form edit link. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Form and sign in using your Google account. And once you're inside the form, you can either create a new form or simply quit or open an existing one. Now, after opening the form, on the top right corner, you can simply click on the share button. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, under the general access, you can simply click on restricted beside the editor view and simply click on anyone with a link. And after that, you can simply click on copy responder link at the bottom left corner of the pop-up menu. And now you can simply send this link to anyone you want to give edit access to. And that's it. That's how you can share a Google Form edit link. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.